Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give.
What's up, guys? So I'm here with URHair or URHair boutique. So there's the wig, and then I got some little goodies. I got a pair of lashes, guys. How cute is this packaging? I've never gotten a lash package so nice. It's so nice. And then it opens like this, and this is the lashes. It's so nice. So that's how that looks. I got one of these, you know, head thingies, you know, bandu or whatever you want to call it. Really cute. I got an edge brush and comb. Extra elastic band. Oh, I got these like pearl clips, real nice. And lastly, in the bag, I got another clip. It's really cute. So that's all the goodies I got for today's wig. I have a mix, you know, a highlighted wig. So it's a 13x4 lace front wig. This lace isn't bleached nor tinted, so feel free to go in and do so. Lightly plucked. So this is a mix of number 4 and 27 hair color, and it's 22 inches long. As you can see, this is a straight texture. It's really nice. In terms of the density, I'll be sure to list that in the description box so you guys can check it out. But it's really nice and full. This is how the inside looks. It's a medium cap, by the way. It has a total of 4 combs on the inside and adjustable straps in the back, and that's how that looks. So I think I want to do like a classic nice center part with this today, nice bone straight look. So let's get to it. So I'll just slip the wig on. Guys, I know I've said this to you so many times, but I love a good highlighted wig. And this is just another one, and I'm so excited to be laying this for you guys right now. So as you can see, I'm using Got To Be spray again for today's install. Listen, the more I do this, the easier it gets, because I've used this so much. So you know, like how I use the glue. Whenever I'm using glue, I do it in halves. That's kind of how I've been doing it whenever I'm using my Got To Be spray as well, and it makes life way easier. You know, the installation takes way less time. Here I'm just cutting away the excess lace, and as I've always told you guys, when, like, you know, at the very edge there where you can see it's casty, you just go over it with a little bit of Got To Be, and that's what I did. Even at the sideburn portion there, that's what I did, to just lay it down as flat as possible. And once I was done with that right across the hairline, I used my elastic band to further melt it in. And I got my wax stick in combination with my hot comb here to kind of just lay the hair as flat as possible. We'll start the whole laying process, because you guys know I really don't like a bumpy install at all. So, you know, I just started to do that here, and, you know, just make sure that, you know, everything is nice and laid. and I decided to go with a center part, as I mentioned before. That's what I wanted to do. And once I was done with that, I pretty much just ran through the hair with my flat iron. Really easy, very much to the point, and that was pretty much it. This is the final look with this wig, guys. It turned out so nice, right? Classic center part. I love how a part in the center, and you know, it has the highlighted portions right in the front. It's giving that, you know, that trend, that streak trend that's going on. It's really, really pretty. The movement of the hair is nice. The luster is very realistic. Just minimal shedding, so please note that there is definitely shedding, but minimal. A few flyaways, but I can live with what's there. It's not like a lot, so that's not bad. It's straight texture, so I'm not really getting any tangling, or I'm really not getting any tangling, so that's really nice. So I feel like this is a very nicely constructed standard highlighted wig. It's giving what it's supposed to give, so I would definitely recommend this if you're looking for this kind of vibe, for a specific look. It's cute, it's trendy, and yeah. So if you're interested in this wig, I'll be sure to drop the details on it in my description box, as well as the direct link. So if you're interested in getting it, you can go ahead and get it. And if I do have any discount codes, you know for sure that I'll also list it. So please, you guys know you're supposed to always check the description box for all those information. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.